All right, my friends, welcome back. We are down to the final piece of the puzzle of developing your attractive character. The core storyline frameworks that Russell mentions in his video, study them. Understand how each one of them works, because just like your identity types, you can vary the way in which you deliver your content throughout these storylines, depending on what the content is, whether it is an organic post or an email. Maybe it's a video sales letter. What is the storyline framework that you are going to use to deliver the message? Each one of these are extremely powerful, and it is up to you to decide which one is the best fit. Again, given the medium and also depending on what the content is, which, speaking of medium, establish your distribution channels. Most of you right now are on Instagram primarily, and that is your primary channel, which is awesome. A lot of us are on Instagram, and that is our primary channel. However, I would be curious to hear about how your Facebook profile is. I invite you to analyze this situation with Facebook in your case. Are you on Facebook? Why or why not are you on Facebook? What type of audience have you built over there? What type of persona have you created over there? How have you shown up to your audience on Facebook? And I bring this up because Facebook can be an extremely powerful platform and definitely not one to ignore, especially for building a personal brand. And I know firsthand how powerful it has been for connecting with majority of my clients. I definitely think that for me, it is much more business oriented type of demographic that I have been able to tap into over there on Facebook. But anywho, that is up to you to analyze. And again, I invite you to leverage other platforms. And we can definitely dive into other platforms and what that means for you and how you can leverage other platforms and when is the right time to jump into other platforms. But let's get back to storylines. I want you to think of these as tools in your arsenal to craft your content. And this closely ties with parables that we learned about in the core elements to the attractive character, except these are typically designed to draw some sort of response from your audience, depending on what your goal is. You're typically always doing some sort of selling, whether you're selling an idea, a thought, or maybe something more tangible like your service, your products, or you're selling tickets for your event. No matter what it is, we are always selling, and these storyline frameworks provide us with an approach to how we present it. So, my friends, I'm going to provide you some more information down below about storylines. Also, make sure to pay attention in the group as we'll share more insights and tips on developing your attractive character. And if you have any specific questions pertaining to this video, you can drop them down below in the comment section of this video. And any other general questions, head over to the community area and let's break this all down together. Share anything that came up for you or any areas where you feel you might get stuck. Drop your question or your concerns in there and we can work it out together. So next, we're going to tie all of this together and we are going to develop your pillars of content, another critical component to your personal brand. We covered part 1 of developing your attractive character, and now we're going to take it a level deeper into the identity of your attractive character. All right, so we're going to be talking about pillars of content in the next video. I'll see you then.